Hello and welcome to the vlog, you guys. You literally put that in my face. Someone could have tried that on. You put like the crotch part in my face. So welcome to today's vlog. Today I am gonna be shopping for some back to school supplies that I'll do a haul on my channel, and I'll also do a giveaway. Yes. So I figured I would vlog it, and I'm also here with Lauren, and yeah, we made it to the school section. I don't think they have the back to school section yet. A little too early for that. Oops. Is it though? I don't think it is. I know you guys think it is.
And told me that like they're going back to school July 15th.
Mine was the end of August, like August 26th.
What?
Yeah.
Mine was first week of September.
Really?
Yeah.
You guys, check out how cute these planners are. I already have 3 planners for this year, but I really want, wait, where is it? I want this one. I like this, but this one's also cute. This one looks like Lore DIY.
This one's Lore DIY.
That one is Lore DIY.
That is me in a freaking.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cute. The first thing I will be getting is this. So for my giveaways, I usually try to go for like a neutral theme so that guys and girls could get it. But I feel like at this point, you probably like my style and like the things that I like, so I can pick you out what I would buy for myself, right? Right. Because I feel like you do that too. I personally think this is adorable. So if you don't like it, then why are you watching? Just kidding. Should I get you a gift receipt? Those are cute. Definitely say the square one. Cute. Oh, but that's cute. Ooh, do I need one of these too?
Do I need one of these?
Ooh. Also for planners, I feel like between these, no, between this and this, right? This and this. No, wait. This, no. Wait, but this is cute.
That one's so cute. I love that one. This is also cute too.
This one is Lore DIY approved.
I have the pink version.
Ooh. Wait, but should I get a bigger one? Maybe a bigger one for school? Like that? Okay, yeah. Now we are bra shopping. Intermission. Ooh, you guys, should I get some craft supplies? Should I get some of these? Ooh.
Oh my god, no, get these.
You know what? Okay, I'll get them. Just know they're from Lauren. Do we need a scissors? Actually, you know what? I kind of need some for my $10 for scissors? They're cute. I don't want to pay $7. We're not sure if we can send scissors through the mail, so I'm not gonna send them to you. Sorry. Do you guys want some glue? You know what?
Do people even use glue sticks?
I don't know. I feel like, yes, we'll get you a glue. It's 50 cents. Come on. Next section. What do I get? You guys want one of these? This isn't that cute though, is it? No. Is this better? That's still not cute. Everything needs to be cute. More dividers picked out by Lore DIY. Wow, this is literally looking like it's all your stuff.
We're basically shopping for me.
Do you guys want some crayons? Do I get the 48 pack or the 96 pack or the 120 pack? Pipsqueak skinnies? You know what, guys? Probably watch makeup videos as well, and you can create more than 48 colors with all of these colors, so I'm getting this one. Binders! Alright guys, which one? Which one? Do you want colors? Do you want no colors? Black one is really cute, but I think we're gonna go with the colors, because I would personally buy this one for myself. You guys, they have glow-in-the-dark glue. Like,
yo, stuff got way cooler.
Yeah, where was all this stuff when we were kids? We could still use them. We could still make crafts.
What do you mean? I make crafts every Sunday.
True. YouTube.com/Lore DIY. Tune in on Sunday for a good time. Guys, I bought this last year for the back to school giveaway, and I kind of want to do it again this year because they're really cute. So I think I'm gonna do it.
Backpack.
That is cute.
Pencil case backpack.
That's a big pencil case. Are you buying it?
No.
Am I?
For hashtag Mamma Mia makeup giveaway? What?
Well, I guess I have to buy it now. Oh my gosh, they have an even minier backpack. Who doesn't love gel pens? Honestly, I kind of want $15. You know what, you guys? For you, I'm getting them. You guys know my favorite part of back to school shopping, or just like office supply shopping in general? The notebooks. I think I want to get this one because it comes with 3, which I feel like would be good for different subjects. I really do just want to get all the cute ones, but I feel like this one is very helpful for back to school. Okay, but this one is super cute.
Oh my god, right?
Look at it.
Myself.
I might buy it for myself. Since when are these pencils $15.99? Like,
what?
That is so expensive. But these pencils are the best.
No, they make me squeaky.
No, they're the best.
I literally just got shivers thinking about the squeak that they make.
No, these are the best. You know what? You guys tell me. Poll on Twitter. I'm gonna post a poll. Lauren has informed me that I need some more binders, so... You thinking what I'm thinking? Alright. Which one? I mean, like, that's the cutest to me, but I kind of like this one for whatever reason.
They're all cute.
What goes with? It's a little too blue. We need to switch it up a bit. Maybe the purple.
Oh my god, yeah, cute.
Okay.
Yes. Wow, I'm going back to school.
You're going back to school? Should I just change the title of this vlog to Lauren's quitting YouTube because she's going back to school?
You heard it here first.
You heard it here! I found some cute color pencils. Yeah. What?
These are chalkboard pencils.
Dang it! Just kidding. But now I feel like I need colored pencils. Ooh. Should we get the Twistables? The Twistables! Marco! Hey Lauren, remember when you said there were only ugly scissors? Well, Eiffel Tower.
Those look like hair-cutting scissors.
Should I get them?
Hey Mia, where do you want to go next?
There. Hey Lauren, remember when you said there weren't any cute scissors?
Those look like Edward Scissorhands scissors.
Should I just send these large stones to you guys?
Oh my god, no, shipping's gonna be like $1,000.
It literally will. Oh my gosh, I literally paid $300 to ship my giveaway items the other day.
I paid $400 to do my swap with Sarah in Australia.
To send it? Yeah. Oh my gosh. I feel like everyone loves these. So I'm gonna get it. And some letters. Yes, I don't even own one myself. This is super not back to school, but you can write a motivational quote like, do your homework. Lauren's always shopping for the most random things.
I'm definitely not holding a gold balloon animal.
Wait, I actually want this. I know you were looking at it.
I'm gonna get this.
Wait, oh my gosh, this is actually perfect. Wait, do I buy this right now?
I think I need my own card.
I told you! Wait, but why is this $60? Hi guys! You want to give yourself a shout out?
Hi, my name is Desiree and this is Destiny, and I also have a YouTube channel too. It's Desiree Teyes.
Desiree Teyes, you guys subscribe.
Yeah, it's with the Y too at the end.
Awesome. So here's a haul of Lauren's items.
Oh no.
One $40 basket, a fake balloon animal, and a, nipple covers. Oh, it's even better now. Oh, what's this? An adhesive bra. Oh, it's just getting way better. A hooray sign that looks like it's also balloon-like. Ooh, yes, a swim top. Swim bottoms.
And that's it, the rest is yours.
What else? Think school. Locks. Do you guys need a lock for, you know, the gym? Yeah? I feel like you don't. It weighs a lot. Nah, you don't need that, right? Oh my god. Oh, okay. First off, okay. And second, I want this. We found another aisle of a section that I didn't even know existed. Also, I just realized I still need to buy a backpack and stuff. What's that? Look how cute these are. Oh, I think I bought these last year.
Really?
You know what? I'm gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Also, I think this vlog might be combined with a different day of me getting the backpack, perhaps, because I just realized I still need to get that. Unless I can find a cute one here. Look at this mini stapler. It's adorable. Yes. Also, I need these from the house because Kyle and I just lose these. I don't know where they're going. Where is the scissor monster? Wasn't funny. But actually, there's a pizza cutter monster in my house because my pizza cutter just keeps disappearing. Where's it going? You guys, I have one of these little clipboard notebook pads and I use it all the time. So I'm gonna get it. Also, look at how freaking cute these file folders are. I feel like they're not really back to school-y, but they're so cute. Maybe this? Yeah! I feel like you guys could, yeah. Okay, suddenly Lauren disappeared.
Marco!
Hello. You guys, it's the wallpaper that I used. Super random and not related, but I think I could use this pot. It's white, which is neutral. And hello. Oh my gosh, they have a hanging planter. This is cute. Oop, don't tell mom. Wait, this is cute. Okay, I'm gonna get this one actually. I lied. I also just found one in brown. I'm gonna get both. They're super cute. So we pretty much tackled all of the school supply section. So now we're in the room decor, house decor section. I'm just looking for things that I could like pass as back to school things just so I can like give you random things, you know, because I love you guys. But hold up, Lauren, are these magnets?
I have nothing magnetic in my house.
They are.
It makes me sad every day that my fridge isn't magnetic.
It isn't.
Isn't that sad?
That happened to me too. And then I had to tape all of my Polaroids onto my fridge. Wait, I need to buy this for sure. There's even a grass one. My god, I need all of these. How much are they? $3.99. That's not bad. That's not bad. Wait, do you guys want one? Oh my gosh, which one do you want? This one. Oh my, wait, true.
Also, I'm gonna get this instead of my basket.
I like that one. Yes. Okay, I'm getting this one for you guys. Water bottles. We could definitely do a water bottle giveaway. I think this one's cute. This one's cute. This one's cute. This one's cute. This one I feel like is really calling my name though. Okay, I think I officially got everything besides random things that I'll probably include. I still don't know the backpack situation, but I got a speaker. Like, I still have a bunch of things that I didn't show you guys in this vlog, so I don't want to like give it all away. Like, definitely watch the video first before watching this vlog. Oh my god, look at that face. You guys, back to school shopping is...
This girl over here trying to rule my audio with her vlog.
Okay, I was gonna move over, but I didn't want you to vlog alone. And I wasn't sure if you wanted me here, so then I just moved halfway across the aisle so that I would give you a little bit of space, and you're also only saying like one word at a time. Hello you guys, it's the end of the night, so I'm gonna end this vlog right here. Thanks for watching this vlog. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit that post notification bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos, which is every day. I love you guys and I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog. Bye!